Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in, now open YouTube and go straight to history. Don't wander. Once on the history page, choose whether to remove individual searches, clear all search history, or pause future logging. To remove one item, tap the X or three-dot menu next to it. To clear everything, use Clear All Search History. Make sure to confirm prompts because clearing is permanent. If you use multiple devices, repeat these steps on each or clear from Google Account Activity for universal results. Once you've removed immediate entries, go deeper. Open YouTube settings, then History and Privacy. Toggle Pause Search History to stop new entries. If you want a unified fix, open Google My Activity, filter by YouTube search, and delete there. This affects all signed-in devices. Make sure device sync is enabled and that you're editing the same Google account on every device, otherwise changes won't propagate. Also, clear browser cookies or app cache if you still see old suggestions. Finish by signing out and back in so YouTube refreshes your profile and syncs deletions. Once done, clear app cache or browser cache if search suggestions still appear, because local cache can reshow old items. If you're using multiple Google accounts or a family link, confirm you edited the right profile. Switching accounts can be the culprit. If the issue persists, try deleting from Google My Activity again and wait a few minutes for servers to update. Then verify suggestions are gone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.